Hey, this is Papa from Street Fighter TradingSystem.com, and welcome back for the series.
You lose. Perfect.
Alright, so today we are going to talk about why we should always be early in the party and not late to the party. Okay, so the market is live now. So what is happening is first I'm going to show you what a perfect setup looks like, and then I'm going to show you what a bad setup looks like, right? So for those who know me, my favorite setup is of course a Shoyu Punish, okay? So we can see over here, if I zoom a little bit, okay, so I'm going to zoom on this particular trade. This is what perfect setup should look like, okay? So what happened is that we have Shoyu trade punish. Okay, so it does two move to the upside. Some people would have tried to short over here. And then what we want is to take the reverse of what they are doing, right? So, of course, why this trade is good is because number one, it's kind of with the trend, even though it's sideways, it's with the trend, I will call it, because we have the 21 EMA above the 50 SMA. The candle is bouncing out of the 21, right? And the candle is a hammer, right? So if we place a buy stop above this candle, I think it's a very good trade. Another parameter that I like also on this trade is that if we take the Fibonacci level, it is bouncing out of the 50. Okay, so all those parameters make it's a very good trade to take. And it's also early in the party, I would say, because the SMA just starting angling up, right? We have another one here, but I don't like it. I'm not going to talk about it. The one that I want to talk about, so it's a very same setup, but that happened very late to the party. So what's happening? So remember, so to understand if we're early or late in the party, so we start drawing the impulse and retrace. So impulse, first retrace, second impulse, second retrace, third impulse, third retrace. And now people, I'm going to try to still go long over here, right? So for me, starting here, it's finished. You cannot take any trade, okay, to the long side. But anyway, let's say that you still want to take this trade, okay? So you will see that you would have got punished, and the situation is this. So we have Shoyu trade punish, okay? The candle is pretty good, so let's say you would have seen only this, right? So it's exactly the same as before. You had punish happening, you have a good candlestick, so it's a hammer, you have the 50 SMA above, below the 21 EMA, exactly like this setup, right? But two parameters that are wrong. Number one is late to the party, and second, if you draw the Fibonacci level, right? So this is your Fib. So you draw from the low to the high of the candle. You see that it doesn't bounce at all from the 50. Okay, so if it doesn't bounce, that means it's not taking time to breathe, right? So you don't want to be on those type of situation. But the real problem is that you are late to the party, and since you are late, okay, of course, people who would have tried to put their buy stop above this candle, they would have thought that the candle was going to push, and they would have entered in here, and unfortunately, the price reversed on them. Okay, so again, it doesn't mean that the price cannot go higher, right? And it's what happened here if you see the market live. Okay, but the probability when you arrive late to the party that the price is going to go higher is way lower. Okay, so yes, it can happen, right? But the problem is that we are playing probabilities, and if you play probability scenario, you don't want to be against the probability, because probability says that after two impulse, there is very little chance that you will have another impulse going up again on the direction of the trend, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This was Papa from StreetFighter TradingSystem.com.